In health news this morning, Spectrum Health is creating a new program aimed to help mothers-to-be with high-risk pregnancies. The new Fetal Care Center will join expert forces with maternal fetal medicine specialist and Helen DeVos Children's Hospital experts with vast experience in a broad range of complex conditions to guide patients in prenatal management from diagnosis all the way through delivery and then beyond. Here to tell us more about this program is Dr. Vivian Romero from Maternal Fetal Medicine and Dr. Claudia Nader, neonatologist. Did I say it close?
Neonatologist.
Okay, neonatologist. That's a very tricky one. Well, thank you so much for being here with us. Let's talk about how you guys take the approach on dealing with these types of situations with these high-risk pregnancies.
Well, thank you for having us here this morning.
Absolutely.
And giving us the opportunity to talk about the Fetal Care Center. I am a maternal fetal medicine specialist, and I have the privilege of taking care of moms and babies that have a high-risk condition. The mom could have a high-risk pregnancy because there's something about her that makes her pregnancy more complicated, or there is a condition on the baby or a fetal anomaly that has been identified during the pregnancy, and that baby requires more care, that is complex and multidisciplinary. And that's where we have all the pediatric services helping us to be able to make that care the best possible, to have the best possible outcome. Dr. Nader is here, and she's a neonatologist, and she's the person that helped us to make that transition the best.
Yeah, talk a little bit about your role.
Yeah, so our role as neonatologists, we start with counseling the parents, the expectant parents on these complicated patients. We start counseling them, and then we try to provide during the this initial encounter with them a little bit of what is going to happen at the delivery, what is going to happen after the baby is born, and try to help them with this transition. We coordinate the care of the baby with all the super specialties that is needed when they're in the NICU, and then we prepare them to go home after a baby is recovered.
And now we're hearing Fetal Care Center. What exactly is that?
So we're very excited about having this service line. Essentially, Spectrum Health Maternal and Fetal Medicine and Helen DeVos Children's Hospital have been recognized for providing state-of-the-art care for mothers and babies. So now we want to combine all those resources and be able to make that experience for the patient seamless. So what does that mean? We understand when a mom has a baby with an anomaly or a condition that require a lot of appointments, care during pregnancy, potential interventions prior to the delivery or soon after delivery, and the long-term care. We wanted to be able to provide that complex, multidisciplinary care, compassionate and very comprehensive, but also now make it more personalized. So we added to our team a nurse coordinator that is going to be that person, that point person that is going to connect both systems, and is going to be the person that is going to be walking this patient every step of the way, helping them coordinate the appointments, anticipate every need that this patient needs, and find the resources that just to optimize the care.
And beyond high risk, is there anything else that the Fetal Care Center will do?
Well, essentially is the coordination of care, the delivery, and providing the care beyond when the baby's born, connecting all those pediatric subspecialties, because we know that those babies are going to be requiring the care from the, pediatric surgeons, pediatric nephrologists, or the cardiovascular surgeons. So, there's a big system that is here for our West Michigan families that will be able to provide, all the care in-house.
It's scary when you hear that you're high risk. I was a high risk pregnancy as well, but everything turned out just fine. But knowing that you guys have a wonderful team in place really is a wonderful relief. Where exactly is this being offered?
So right now it's at the Maternal and Fetal Medicine office, but again, because this nurse coordinator is going to help us be able to walk these patients through the systems. We're attached to each other, right? So it's just Helen DeVos and Spectrum Health Maternal and Fetal Medicine where the center is living.
Yes, you as a patient can get that from the first appointments when you come in. We, part of the Fetal Care Center is to introduce them to all of them if it's possible. So when you come as a patient, you come to their office, and then you transition to go see the NICU, interview with all the physicians that are going to be most likely part of the care of your baby, as the same appointment.
Wonderful.
So it is a long day for them, but at least we try to capture that so they can have a better understanding.
Great. Well, thank you so much for everything that you're doing.
Yeah, thank you.
And to make an appointment, call the Fetal Care Center at 616-486-7500.